Hey there, it's Melissa from Big Universe Music, and today we're going to talk about a music theory concept called line cliches. The Oxford Dictionary says a cliché is a phrase or opinion that is overused and betrays a lack of original thought. Common clichés in the English language are things like think outside the box, or it goes without saying, or grab the bull by the horns. These phrases are really common and definitely phrases that we have heard before. They add drama to our speech while at the same time being so familiar that we feel really comfortable whenever we hear those statements. In music, we can use line cliches and musical cliches to bring a sense of knowing in the listener when they hear our songs. By using overused ideas, the listener gets the sense that they already know what's coming in the song and gets the feeling that they've already heard this or something like this before. Listeners love feeling like they already know a song, so a line cliche or a musical cliche are a great way to pull them in. In my opinion, one of the most beautiful and effective musical cliches is something called a line cliche. A line cliche is created by a movement of a musical line within a chord progression. Its typical movement is in half steps, also known as chromatic movement, and its most typical movement goes down in pitch. I'm going to demonstrate a line cliche in A minor, and you're going to be able to see the movement of the notes really clearly here on my 6th string. My thumb is going to play the open 5th string to start the line cliche at A, and then you'll hear the movement of the notes going down underneath my A minor chord. Or how about this line cliche that I also love that happens out of the D major shape? We play the D chord, and our line is going to be on the 2nd string there. So we play. Now I think you've probably heard this line in A minor in a song like Stairway to Heaven, and this D major line cliche, kiss me down by the broken tree house, in a song called Kiss Me by Sixpence None the Richer. But there are so many songs that utilize the line cliche. Some other examples are In a Sentimental Mood by Ella Fitzgerald, the jazz standard, For No One, the Beatles, One Too Many Mornings by Bob Dylan, and thousands more. Try using the line cliche in one of your next original songs and listen for it whenever you're listening to music. Have fun practicing line cliches, and I'll see you later.